Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be hash stuffing my variable expense binder as well as my sinking funds. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is first, I hope you guys are liking my new decor here. This is actually a pumpkin garland I got from TJ Maxx about an hour ago, and I tried setting it up here to look nice, but I don't know. I tried. So this is all I got. So I hope you guys like this. If it's too much, please let me know. Be honest. But I think it's cute. Even my husband said it's cute. So let's see what you guys think. But anyways, let's go ahead and get my money out of this bank pouch. And we are going to be cash stuffing $948. Alrighty. So after this video, there's going to be another video because I am late on videos. So after this video, there's going to be a sinking funds update video. And then tomorrow, there's going to be another video of me just cash stuffing the rest of my bills. And I know people don't really like watching those. I don't know, but I'll still upload it just in case you do enjoy watching those. But I like the sinking funds. They're more fun. But anyways, let's go ahead and open my variable expense binder. And let me pull out my paycheck breakdown. All right, so let's see. Home is getting $10. So we're gonna grab a 10. Spending is getting 20. Self-care is getting 5. MT is not getting anything. Ty is getting 20. And then business is getting 300. All right, so this is all done. Now let's get into our sinking funds. All right, so kiddos is getting $10. So kiddos now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 92, 94, 96. We're almost at 200. Emergency is getting 20. So emergency now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. Woohoo, 200 finally. Savings is getting 5. So savings now has 100, 50, 65, 165. Student loan is getting $18. We're gonna do a 10, a 5, 1, 2, 3, and 3 singles. I need a color pencil. Which one? The blue. All right, so student loans has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 198. Student loan taxes is getting 40. So student loans taxes has 20, 40, 60, 80, and I need to mark that. All right. Next we have Capital One, and Capital One is getting 50. So Capital One now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. Oh, good. Look, now we cross this out. And I have to make a payment. Best Buy is also getting 50. And we're almost done paying this card. Next we have Fur Baby, and Fur Baby is getting 25. We're gonna do the bone. Oh, what am I doing? 25, 20, and 5. So that is 20, 40, 5. Gifts is getting 10. Next we have Autumn, and Autumn is getting 10. So we're gonna do the acorns. So Autumn now has 50, and I'm hoping to go apple picking soon. All right. My voice is a little off. Christmas is getting 100. So let's see, we gotta do 2 of these. Ooh, I don't have the brown color pencil. Let me see if I find it. Hold on 1 second. Guys, I couldn't find the brown, so let's see. These are my kids' thing. They're like all over the place. Okay, you can use this one. All right, so let's go ahead and do 2 mugs. One and then 2. Sorry. So 100, 50, 200, 220, 230. Adventure is getting 15. So we're gonna do a truck. This one right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Let's see. 100, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 145. And I'm definitely short because I wrote 26 for the 10K and I don't think I have 26 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did I go wrong? Let me see. Home, spending, tie, self-care. Oh, you know what? Business. Because I said, oh my God, I don't have change. What am I gonna do? Let's see, I need 280 in here. So let's see if I can make some change. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. No, let's go into my, let's see, rent. Okay, here we go. So 20, 40, 60. 80, 100, and then I'll take this 100. All right. So 20, 40. So 20 goes there, and then it's 280 for business. Yep, there we go. I was about to say, what? How is that possible? Where did I go wrong? So business, right, has 280 instead of 3. And then the last one, which is my 10K, we are doing number 26. We're only doing one. And this is the wrong shade of blue. Whatever. So let's go ahead and add this 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 735, 740, 745, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. $751 in just a month and a half. That's amazing. And that is that. Now, let's go ahead and film my sinking funds update, and I'll be using this tracker bag here. So stay tuned for that video too. Bye.